Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Artists and celebrities who celebrated with Usain Bolt on Friday at his surprise birthday event are today worried after news broke this morning that the Sprint King is in self-isolation awaiting COVID-19 results. The news came just 2 days after the sprint legend celebrated his birthday with friends and family. Bolt's 34th birthday party was star-studded as the event saw the likes of football superstars Leon Bailey and Raheem Sterling, cricketer Chris Gayle, plus entertainers Christopher Martin, Ding Dong, Disha Ravers and Munga Honorable at the breakfast brunch. Videos have been making the rounds on social media showing Bolt partying with the Ravers crew with performances from Chris Martin and Ding Dong. E-Prime reached out to Chris and Ding Dong for statements. However, up until news time, there was no official response. Sprint legend Usain Bolt took to Instagram this morning to address earlier rumors that he tested positive for the virus. In this video, he shared that he is still awaiting his COVID-19 results from the health ministry. Bolt also asked persons who came in contact with him to go into isolation until he has further information from the Ministry of Health.
I did a test on Saturday to leave because I work trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends, and also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy, and just to make people know, be safe out there. Alright? Cool.
Now, reggae artist TVJ has joined forces with Wiz Khalifa on A Vibe. On the latest single, the two profess their love for cannabis. The track earned TVJ and Wiz the #1 spot on the iTunes Reggae Songs chart. Now, in this video shared on social media, TVJ gave details on the collaborative effort.
2016, I linked with Super Dopes and him played me this song idea and told me he thought I'd be perfect for it. And when I did it, I said I didn't want to do this song without a rapper, and about a week after, they don't say anything to me, they just forward me a verse to my iMessage, like I see something like Wiz and I'm like, what? I'ma click on it, I'ma just hear the man verse, and it's like, man, I say, what?
A Vibe will be featured on TVJ's 5th studio album In Search of Lost Time, which is slated for release this Friday. TVJ also shared the track list with his fans on Instagram, which features 10 songs and boasts collaborations from Lila Ike, the Grammy Kid Coffee, and the unruly one, Popcorn. The album will be TVJ's first album release with his RCA Records and follows his Grammy-nominated album, A Matter of Time. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.